What's up guys, Sadie and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I decided to do a little different video. This is sort of my everyday makeup look and I don't tend to use a lot of makeup. So I just have 5 or 6 products that I mainly use. This is the makeup look that I created and hardly takes like 5 minutes and you're ready to take on the world. And I hope you guys like this video, and if you did, just give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also make sure that you follow me on my Instagram. I hope you guys enjoy, and without further ado, let's get into it. So to start with, I'm going to start with my rose water. Then I'm going to use my Nivea cream. It's a little thick, but yeah, it's really good. So as you can see, I have a little discoloration here and there and a little acne scars. So I'm just going to cover them up. So for that, I'm going to use a concealer. Now taking a beauty blender, I'm just going to apply on the places that I think need the most coverage. Don't forget to put the same concealer on your neck as well. Once I'm done with the concealer, I'm going to go with my eyeshadow. So for that, I'm going to use this brown eyeshadow. So using my blending brush, take a little bit, and just to intensify my crease, I'm just going to use this. And make sure that you are blending it properly so there is no harsh edges. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to use my Essence mascara to just, give my lashes a lift. Now to finish it off, I'm just going to use my lipstick as my cheek tint. So taking a little bit, I'm just going to use it on my cheeks. Now I'm using the same lipstick on my lips as well. As you can see, I am not totally applying the lipstick. I'm just dabbing it up, because just to give it a natural look, so it does not look like I've applied lipstick, but I still have. This is the makeup look that I created and hardly takes like 5 minutes, and as you can see, it just brings out your natural features and it looks subtle and does not take a lot of products, and you can play around with your makeup and do multiple looks, and yeah, you can just enjoy and experiment with your makeup, and you can take this look from day to night just by putting a little bit of highlighter, adding a little shimmery eyeshadow on the inner corner. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you did, just give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also make sure that you follow me on my Instagram, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.